Hello, everyone. We're going to be continuing our study on regional conflicts, and we're going to go to South America. Yesterday, we were in Europe. Uh, First, though, a couple of housekeeping things. Remember, you can continue to redo assignments or submit late work. Just make sure you submit them via Classroom and send an email. On Friday, May 29th, Schoology will be open again for redos for mini units 12, 13, and 14. And lastly, on Tuesday, June 2nd, we will have our next class discussion. I would make sure you make every effort to be there, as it will make next week's assignments on Wednesday and Thursday easier. Uh, as has been the norm, this is our academic integrity expectations. This is individual assignment, so you need plagiarism includes having the same work as others. All right. So what are we going to be looking at? So the individual we're going to be looking at today is a man by the name of Augusto Pinochet in the country of Chile. This first term here, coup d'etat. Another term I want to go over in bold here is junta, and this bold term is coup. From here, we some of the questions, like the first three, are fairly straightforward. We were able to get them out of the reading pretty quickly. There are a couple of others I want to spend some more time over. So question 4 here has two key parts. First part is, according to the text above, what role did the United States say it had in the coup? So the question is asking for, what did the United States or the United States government say that they did in the coup? The second part of the question is, what role do others say the United States played in the coup? So now we're looking for those outside of the American government, what they think the United States did during the coup. Question 5 is, given the Cold War context, why was the United States excited about Pinochet taking power? So you have to think back to our Cold War unit, and also a little tidbit. It would be helpful to look at who was in charge of Chile before Pinochet. Move on to our next section, the beginnings of dictatorship and human rights abuses. The questions 7 through 9 are pretty straightforward, but again, if you have any questions, please email. Same here. And then on to the Reddit report. This question 15, why is this report important for the advancement of human rights? So it's not asking what the report's saying, it's asking how does it help people keep their human rights or maintaining their human rights. Give you another clue, it's in this last part of the reading here. And then we have our last question, 16. So it's a little bit more questions than have been, but hopefully these questions are, and the readings are a lot more straightforward. So hopefully overall the process will be much faster for you. Again, as always, remember, email if you have any questions. Schoology will be open tomorrow, and we have our next class discussion on Tuesday, June 2nd. That is all for now. Take care and have a good one.